Folks, in this session, we're going to discuss how to use Matplotlib to create line plots. We have already done this in our introduction session. Here, what's different is after creating a line plot, I want to immediately see it directly within the program. So I use the plot.show method. However, in order to make the plot.show method work, we need some sort of GUI to display the drawing. A GUI is basically a graphic user interface. And for our learning, we're going to use a third-party library called PySide6. So PySide6 has a GUI engine called Qt AGG. AGG stands for anti-green geometry. So this is just the engine to create a user interface directly within the program. So in order to use this engine for a graphic user interface, we need to first import Matplotlib and then use Qt AGG to basically tell the program I want to use this GUI to display the drawings I just did using Matplotlib. So with this, let's go to our VS Code and I will show you how to make it work. Remember this code earlier we did in our first session for Matplotlib? Right now, let me swap this cfig method with show method. And if I simply run this program right now, it will give me an error because it cannot show it because there is no GUI installed and used in this program. To make it work, I first need to install the third-party package to create the GUI. So I decided to use PySide6. PySide6 is a byproduct of PyQt. PyQt is a very popular library to create user interface applications on Windows and Mac both. So let's do this. pip install PySide6. I already have the PySide6 installed on my machine, so that's why it says requirements already satisfied. The installation on your machine, if this is your first time doing this, it's probably take a while. With this, I can start using I can start telling the program I want to use the PySide6 as my GUI engine to draw and display the plot I just created. So the first, I need to import Matplotlib again. And with this, I need to update the engine to Qt engine. And this Qt engine is essentially comes in as part of the PySide6 packages we just installed. Right after I import Matplotlib, I have this method matplotlib.use Qt AGG. So essentially, this is telling the program my Matplotlib is going to use this Qt engine to do the drawing. And with this, let's run our program again to see whether the error goes away. And you see now, I have a graphic user interface created using the PySide6. And then I nicely displayed this line chart, line plot, like I just created with this code. And there are some, because I'm using a GUI, I have some built-in functionalities. Like I can even zoom in here and take a look at more closely to this part of the data, and then I can save it locally as well. So, and this is a pretty nice program already with a user interface. And along the way, as we are progressing in our Python courses, we will be able to create a standalone Python program with user interface like this. So I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you next time. Thank you.